In the case of Hammer versus Dagenhart, the United States Supreme Court stuck a dagger into the heart of a law that attempted to abolish child labor. Faced with increased concerns over the child labor conditions in mills and factories, Congress decided to take matters into its own hands. In 1916, it passed the Keaton-Owen Act, which prohibited goods made by children under a certain age from being sold in interstate commerce. Dagenhart owned a cotton mill and employed 2 of his sons there. He brought a constitutional challenge against the Keaton-Owen Act, alleging that it was an unconstitutional exercise of Congress's Commerce Clause authority. The District Court for the Western District of North Carolina agreed with Dagenhart. The court held that Congress acted unconstitutionally in attempting to regulate child labor because it was a purely local matter. On direct appeal to the United States Supreme Court,